Hey everybody, it's the interview queen Alicia Atute here, and I'm here to tell you to subscribe to Warriors of Wrestling. Of course, like every video, comment on each one, and turn on the notification bell so you get updated every time they post some awesome new content. I'll see you there.
Boo you! Boo you! Boo you! Boo you! Boo you! Boo you versus boo you!
The No Limits Championship is on the line. Isaiah Wolf defending his title up against Davienne, who earned this opportunity earlier this month in a number one contenders match. It was a six-way matchup. He ended up defeating Andros, Helen Vale, Marcus Marquis, Riley Shepard, and Vinny Pacifico.
And wow, what competitors to beat all in one match in the same night. But Chris, that was last month. Now it's this month at the 11th anniversary of Warriors of Wrestling. We have No Limits action. We have intergender action. We have all the food groups represented. Could we see Davienne hold gold in Warriors of Wrestling? She's competed against Nikki Adams for the Women of Warriors World Champion when Nikki Adams did hold that prestigious title. But that was then, and this is now as she looks to obtain the No Limits Championship. But she has to go through the American gangster, Isaiah Wolf, first.
Absolutely. Isaiah Wolf has a huge set of moves on his repertoire that he can pull out at any given time. He's very fast, he's strong, and he will do whatever it takes. He's also ringside with the Manic Race and Slade, the powerhouse. You gotta think they may play a factor in this one. But Davienne, not afraid at all.
Just as they always do. At this point, we're not asking if they're gonna play a factor. We're at the point now, after what we've seen in the past, is what kind of factor, what kind of hand are they gonna be dealt, or what kind of hand are they gonna play, if you will, in this contest. It's almost like Davienne is a 1-on-3 almost.
Isaiah Wolf controlling the arm and now has that headlock in. Isaiah Wolf in 3 years has wrestled for 18 different promotions. He's a two-time No Limits champion, and he also is a former Warriors of Wrestling Tag Team Champion. Of course, tonight, here at the 11th anniversary show, we crown new W.O.W World Tag Team Champions. The Private Party is now the champions. Could we see another title change tonight?
It could very well be another title change tonight. All championships in Warriors of Wrestling have been defended at this point tonight. We've seen the Women's Championship.
Oh!
Vicious forearm, my goodness.
Very hard hit there.
We've seen the Women's Championship defended to open up the show in the first ever women's cage match in Warriors of Wrestling. In that, Nyla Rose was successful in defending.
Davienne taking this fight outside of the ring, not giving Isaiah a chance to catch his breath. This is probably a smart move. Hard chop there by Davienne. 5 years of ring experience. She's wrestled all over the place. Davienne is a former women's champion for Chaotic Wrestling. Hard chop there.
And previously, Private Party, as you just said, victorious in obtaining Warriors Gold for the first time as we have new tag champs. Right now, the No Limits Championship is defended. Isaiah Wolf defends, as you can see, against Davienne.
Look at this, Isaiah using Amanda Grace as an object to protect himself in front of Davienne, and he just used her to the advantage there.
And finally, to main event the 11th anniversary, Chris. Tony Booz, the winner of Ultimate Survival, takes on your current Warriors of Wrestling World Heavyweight Champion, Chris Steele. What a night it is.
Oh, wow. You can hear that from Brooklyn. Davienne in clear control now. Isaiah Wolf is in trouble.
Isaiah Wolf might need a surgeon.
Davienne showing that she has quite the strength to compete with Isaiah Wolf.
I don't even want to think about what that hip toss felt like.
Amanda Grace now getting involved with this. This happens all the time. Isaiah's lucky to have Amanda Grace by his side. Oh! With that signature move.
And there's nothing the referee can do about it. It's no limits rules.
One, not enough.
Kick out of one.
A kick out of one.
That is one tough chick. That is Davienne. Kicking out at one after that cheap knee from Isaiah Wolf.
Isaiah Wolf now in control. You're going to see a lot of strikes with those knees from Isaiah Wolf. He's very athletic. He can jump up high. Going for the chop on Davienne now. Isaiah in clear control. But wait a second. Whoa! Recovering very quickly is Davienne. She has almost second wind. Isaiah crawling out of the ring for his dear life. Look at the pain he's in. This crowd is also not in favor of Isaiah Wolf at all. We've seen Isaiah Wolf throughout his reign as No Limits champion interact with the fans many a times and really not show his appreciation for them. Isaiah with control here, going after the head of Davienne with that mount press.
Davienne looking to just find a way to get back to her feet. Isaiah was quick to stay on top of her. She gained a little momentum.
Now Isaiah Wolf circling Davienne, trying to figure out a way to put her away. Going for that snap suplex. He got it.
Not much of a snap, but the suplex was there. As Isaiah Wolf drives it to the canvas. Could be it.
Just a 2 count. Going for it again. He doesn't believe it. Nope, just 2 count. Isaiah demanding a quicker count. Defending that belt, trying to close in on a year. Oh. Isaiah Wolf did hold the belt at the beginning of 2019, but he eventually lost to Davienne Pacifico. But Isaiah got the belt back with the help of Amanda Grace and Slade, of course.
That's absolutely right, Chris. Everything you just said is 1,010% correct.
Davienne trying to get some life here, but Isaiah Wolf keeping the pressure on.
You can see the look on the referee's face there. He doesn't approve, but no limits rules. He's there to count pinfalls and submissions and, well, to make sure that the competitors are alive.
Look at that. Going after the back is Isaiah Wolf.
Vintage Isaiah.
Got him with that German. The hangman German. A signature maneuver of Isaiah Wolf. Just part of that repertoire. 1, 2, not enough. Davienne kicking out. She's not done yet. She does have the fighting spirit of a champion. And she worked hard to get this opportunity, outlasting 5 other competitors earlier this month. Davienne trying to get to her feet.
Davienne's got a chance to hold No Limits gold.
Wow, double foot stomp there.
But every maneuver, every move that she receives from Isaiah Wolf depletes those chances.
That could be it. This could be it. 1, 2, not enough. She kicks out again.
And another near fall in this No Limits contest, Chris.
Isaiah can't believe it. He doesn't know what else he has to do to put it away. I think he's closing in though. Yep, exposing that knee. If he hits that death to rights, that pop-up knee, it could be over. Davienne stuck in the corner, going for that high knee strike, but he missed it. And his knee hit the top of the turnbuckle. He's hurt, he's injured. Davienne with an opportunity, a window to strike, and she's taking advantage of it.
She's taking advantage. This is every moment that she needs.
Oh.
Vicious shot.
But Isaiah can't stand up straight. An opportunity. Hard back elbows. Oh, missing that knee strike. Going for the elbows again. Isaiah doing whatever he can to make sure he's always facing his opponent. Doesn't want that back towards. Up. Maybe screwed here. German suplex.
And she hit the German 3rd time's a charm. Isaiah Wolf flat on his back underneath the corner turnbuckle.
And that sliding kick sending Isaiah into that unforgiving ring post.
Almost a baseball slide. I don't
could be
know
it.
if Isaiah is safe.
This could be it. We could have a new champ. 1, 2. Not enough. Davienne so close.
Davienne with that baseball slide, but not. But Isaiah Wolf.
Isaiah Wolf kicking out.
Isaiah Wolf might be knocked out of that.
No, he's not done. He's not done. Isaiah Wolf is up. Amanda Grace interfering again. Going up to the knees. The ref just letting this happen. Can't get any control. Going for the pin. It's enough.
Here is your winner and still no limits champion, Isaiah Wolf.
Now wait a second. Amanda Grace is stuck in the ring with Davienne. Slade was going to go in there to help her, but Isaiah Wolf is keeping Slade back. They're just going to leave Amanda Grace in there. They're leaving Amanda Grace in the ring with Davienne. Amanda Grace, she's not a competitor.
She's in a world of
She
hurt.
doesn't know how to defend herself. Suplex. Amanda Grace in the wrong spot at the wrong time, abandoned by Isaiah Wolf and Slade. Why would they do this?
Hey playa, this is the Josh Speaks and you're watching Warriors of Wrestling, the best independent wrestling company across the entire country. So hit the subscribe button, click the notification bell so you can know whenever they post a new wrestling video. As always, love and peace.